friend, welcome back to CapCut's YouTube channel. My name is Bria, and today we're talking about AI. Part of being a content creator can be sharing products with your audience. But if you're new to this, it can be a little daunting to figure out what you want to say to be as helpful as possible to your viewer. Thankfully, CapCut has an AI feature that helps you make the perfect script for your product reviews. Let me show you how to use it. Open up the CapCut app and tap the AI script button. This is where you can tell AI about the products and it will write the perfect script for you. So for the sake of an example, let's say the product I want to talk about in my video is the CapCut desktop app. My fave. Under product name, I'll put desktop app, and under brand name, I'll put CapCut. The next section is where you're gonna add the product features that you wanna talk about in your video. Arguably the best part of this is that CapCut auto-generates product points that your viewers might be interested in knowing about based on what you put in the brand name and product name sections. You can see here it picked up that I was talking about CapCut. It also notes the app's faster rendering performance, high precision color calibration, automatic ICC profile generation, and that it's cloud-based. I like all those, so I added them. I'm just gonna add a couple more features that I really like about the desktop app. From there, let's tap more details. And under target audience, you're gonna put the people who you're hoping to reach with this video, the people who would find it the most interesting. You can see that the AI also auto-generates responses here. And I feel like these are pretty spot on, so I'm gonna go ahead and add them. The duration section is gonna determine how long your script is. For this video, if you couldn't tell by the product points, I'm trying to go a little bit more in depth. So let's do a minute plus. The price of the CapCut app is $0, so I'll put that here. And if you had any promotional details about the product, like use code BRIA for 20% off or something like that, you could add that under promotional details. I'm gonna leave it blank for this one because CapCut is already free. All right, let's go ahead and generate our script. This is exciting. This is where things get a little wild for me. CapCut has generated 5 scripts for me to choose from. I can scroll through here and you'll see that one is based in a challenge. One is from the perspective of a big fan. One features the top reasons why I love the product. One talks about how I incorporate the desktop app into my daily routines. And the other one is talking about a want and a need. If you're not into any of the 5 that you get initially, you can always drag the last one to the left and it will generate 5 more. I think I'm feeling the top reasons one. I feel like anytime you number something on social media, people really respond to that, so I'm gonna pick that one. What I love about this is that there really isn't a need to reinvent the wheel. They're basically just putting your product points into formats that are already popular on social media for you. The key here is picking a script that aligns with your voice as a creator and making any little edits that you need to make it sound more like you. Now that I've picked the script that I want, let's click Use Script. From here, you can either let the app generate a video using its own materials, or you can film something yourself. Let me show you what the smart generation feature looks like. So this really did everything. It found the visual, it added the captions, and it even did text-to-speech so that it's talking for you. If you're the kind of creator who likes putting out valuable content without showing your face or letting people hear your voice, this is a great option. But let's say you're more on my wavelength and want to film the video yourself. In that case, let's go back to the script. I'm gonna find the top reasons one and press the copy button. From there, I'm gonna tap Use Script and we'll do the custom generation instead. Now you can see it's loaded in captions for me and even has a text-to-speech here. I'm gonna talk in this video, so let's remove text-to-speech, but keep those captions. Then I'm gonna tap Add Media and go into my camera. Again, we're not judging the contents of the camera roll, okay? Next, I'm gonna tap on the teleprompter and paste in my script. Now the script is gonna roll on the teleprompter as I'm filming, and it's gonna be so much easier to remember what I'm saying and keep track of my points. You can also change the font size, the speed, the color, and the positioning of the teleprompter on your screen to make it even easier. My video is about a minute long, so I'm gonna change my recording time to 60 seconds and get started. And of course, if I ever mess up a line as I'm going along, I can stop, erase it, and redo it. Let's dive into the top 3 reasons why CapCut's desktop app is a must for all of your video editing needs. Once I'm finished, let's tap on the check mark and click Next. Now that my video has loaded into the editor, all I need to do is make sure that my words that I'm speaking actually align with the captions that are in there. Of course, I can edit the captions here. I can make them bigger, smaller, change the font, stuff like that. But if you caught my video on caption tips, you know that I'm a little particular about my captions. So let's tap the Edit More button on the top. This will take you to CapCut's standard video editor where I can add a caption template. Y'all know I love a good CapCut Pro caption template. Once everything's to my liking, all that's left to do is go ahead and export. And that's how you use CapCut's AI script feature to write the best product review ever, and the whole process takes like 10 minutes or less. And that's including the time for the edit, okay? That's pretty quick. Thank you so much for watching. Leave any questions or maybe any tutorials that you want to see on the CapCut channel in the comments below, and we'll catch you next time. Now go out there and make some content.